Ladies and gentlemen, buckle up for a glimpse into the future, the era where AI pins will revolutionize how we connect, communicate, and conquer the world. I'm your guide through this digital odyssey, and today we're diving into the thrilling world of AI pins versus your trusty smartphone. Imagine a world where your AI pin isn't just an accessory. It's your personal assistant, confidant, and gateway to the digital cosmos. The era of the smartphone is fading, making way for the pint-sized genius that's about to redefine smart living. First up, let's talk pros. Convenience. Anyone. AI pins are sleek, wearable, and always at your fingertips, literally. Need directions? Your pin's got it. Want to send a message? Just a tap away. It's the ultimate hands-free experience that makes multitasking a breeze. But wait, there's more. Ever lost your smartphone? Yeah, we've all been there. With AI pins, say goodbye to frantic pocket padding. It's snug on your attire, tracking your every move and ensuring you're always in the loop. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the cons. Privacy concerns. You say, the pin is smart, not nosy. But fair warning, folks, be mindful of those sci-fi movie scenarios. We're embracing the future, not inviting Skynet for dinner. And let's not forget the learning curve. Remember the first time you used a smartphone? AI pins might need a touch of patience. But fear not, they're quick learners. Before you know it, they'll be your digital BFF. In this brave new world, AI pins are not just a gadget. They're an extension of your digital identity. Whether it's fitness tracking, instant translations, or personalized recommendations, your pin's got your back. So, are we witnessing the slow decline of the smartphone era? Maybe. The rise of AI pins promises a future where technology seamlessly integrates into our lives, making the phrase "the world at your fingertips" more literal than ever. What a journey, right? Hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more glimpses into the tech future. This is Show Name, signing off, where we're not just imagining the future, we're living it. Until next time, tech enthusiasts.